Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate make.com scenarios using OpenAI models, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate make.com scenarios using OpenAI models, start by logging into your make.com account. Navigate to your dashboard and click on the Create New Scenario button. In the Scenario Builder, select the trigger app that will initiate your scenario. Choose an appropriate trigger event that aligns with your workflow needs. Connect your OpenAI account by searching for OpenAI in the app menu. Authenticate your OpenAI account using your API key. Once authenticated, select which OpenAI model you wish to use for this scenario. You can now configure the model parameters based on your requirements. Add any necessary actions that will take place after the trigger event. Map the input data variables from the trigger app to the OpenAI model parameters. Next, set up any subsequent actions that utilize the output from the OpenAI model. Make sure to test your scenario by running it in the Scenario Builder. Check for any errors or adjustments needed in the configuration. Once you are satisfied with the test results, save your scenario. Activate your scenario by clicking the On button in the Scenario Overview. Monitor the scenario performance through the dashboard to ensure everything functions as expected. For future modifications, return to the Scenario Builder to make necessary updates. Follow this process to enhance your workflows using OpenAI models and make.com scenarios. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.